Glimmer Stainless Steel Polish Cleaner is your 3-in-1 powerhouse that cleans, polishes, and protects. We put Glimmer to the test in the kitchen of a busy downtown diner after a heavy lunch rush, and the results are crystal clear. Specially formulated to produce a thick, creamy oil and water emulsion, Glimmer provides enhanced vertical cling time and streak-free wiping on surfaces such as stainless steel, copper, chrome, aluminum, and more. The streak-free formula wipes away quickly without leaving behind a heavy residue to prevent unsightly fingerprints. All this with a pleasant lemon fragrance which allows for use in confined or public spaces.